Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here, let me go back. Here we have to scroll and find notifications and quick settings. Then let's go to the status bar. And as you can see here, we've got two options which are connected to the battery. Obviously, here we've got the battery percentage. So let's tap on it. And here we've got three different options. We can show it inside the battery icon, outside the battery icon, so it is more visible, and do not show it at all, obviously. However, if we will change the battery style to the vertical one, we will have only one option to show battery percentage next to the battery icon. So as you can see, the percentage strongly depends on the specific battery style. The same situation with the loop option. So of course, set it just like you want. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.